welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's going to be a quick video, but before I tell you what we're doing today, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, hit notification button so you can see all my new uploads, and also share my videos so more people can see my videos. Today is going to be a quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs with the microwave. Because let's say you're in a hotel room and you don't have anything other than eggs, butter and milk, but you don't have any good pots, but you have a microwave, but you want to make scrambled eggs, but you can't make it because you don't have any good pots. But today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs with a microwave, because I've been in this situation before and I just realized how to make this. So you're going to need 2 eggs. So here are the ingredients. You're going to need 2 eggs, and this is just for me. This is just my breakfast, so this is why I'm just using 2. And you're also going to need some milk and some butter. So first you're going to have to break the 2 eggs. Okay. There you go. That's egg broken. So I think I stirred the eggs. I just missed it. So now you need 1/4 cup of milk. So you just get 1/4 cup. Now you mix it. Done mixing, you're going to need 1 spoon. Now you're going to need 1 spoonful of butter. Now you're going to need 1 spoonful of butter. So put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Now you wait. Ready. Now I've microwaved this for 1 minute, so I'm gonna microwave it for another minute. My breakfast is ready, and before I forget, I put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and then I let it cool in the microwave for 10 seconds, and here is the result. Look at it. That's nice. And I also put butter in the scrambled egg because it gives a good taste with the milk and the eggs that you're definitely gonna like. That's good. You'll love this scrambled egg. It's really good. thank you for watching my video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, hit my notification button so that you can see all my new uploads, and share my videos so that more people can watch them. And bye guys, see you in the next video.